Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right on keto, tracking your carbs, planning your meals, even skipping the late night snacks, and yet the results don't seem to match the effort? Maybe the scale hasn't moved in weeks, or maybe your energy feels all over the place. It can be frustrating, and it's one of the biggest reasons people give up too soon. But here's the truth. Keto success is about so much more than the number on the scale. It's about building awareness of your habits, your mindset, and your progress in areas that most people overlook. And the key to staying consistent long term isn't another recipe or a stricter rule. It's taking just a few minutes every week to reflect. That simple practice of self-reflection can completely transform your journey. It helps you see the wins you'd otherwise miss, spot the patterns that might be holding you back, and reset your mindset so you start each week fresh and motivated. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how weekly reflection works and why it might just be the missing piece that keeps you consistent, confident, and successful on your keto journey. Point number 1, reflection helps you recognize wins you'd otherwise miss. Too often we focus only on weight loss, but progress on keto shows up in many different ways. More energy, reduced cravings, better sleep, mental clarity. By sitting down once a week and asking yourself, what went well, you'll see that your body and mind are improving in ways the scale doesn't always capture. These small wins build confidence and remind you that the process is working, even if the numbers don't change right away. Point number 2, reflection reveals hidden patterns. Here's the thing. Sometimes you don't realize what's holding you back until you look at your week as a whole. Maybe you notice that on days you skip meal prep, you're more likely to make last-minute choices. Or maybe when you don't supplement with electrolytes, your energy dips. Reflection is like holding up a mirror to your habits. It helps you connect the dots and spot what's helping and what's hurting your progress. Point number 3, reflection resets your mindset for the week ahead. Every week has its ups and downs. Reflection allows you to reset. Instead of beating yourself up for a slip, you can reframe it as a lesson and decide on one intention for the week ahead. For example, this week, I'm focusing on drinking more water. That one simple intention keeps you motivated and gives you a fresh start, no matter how last week went. Reflection isn't about perfection. It's about learning and moving forward with clarity. So here's my challenge to you. Set aside 15 minutes this week. Grab a journal, your phone, or even a scrap of paper. Write down 3 wins, 3 challenges, and 1 goal for next week. That's it. Over time, you'll not only see how far you've come, but also feel more motivated, consistent, and proud of your keto journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with someone else who's on their keto journey. And let me know in the comments, what's one win you've had this week that you're proud of? See you in the next video.